Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just dropping by to drop this quick video. I wasn't going to do this video because I have so many previous videos where I've done my eyebrows and you guys can see it, and my routine really doesn't change much besides the concealer that I use and whatever I'm doing my eyebrows with. But other than that, everything stays basically the same. So I wasn't going to do this, but a couple of people asked me to do it last month and I was still like, nah. But then one of my friends asked me for a tutorial the other day and she's like, sis, I need this. So I'm dropping you guys an eyebrow tutorial today. I guess we can start with the things that we need. The first thing that you need is whatever you're doing your eyebrows with. So I usually use the Anastasia eyebrow pencil, but I haven't made a Sephora trip in like forever, and I've been like really hooked on this Wet n Wild twist up pencil, and it's the angled one, just like the Anastasia that I usually use, which if you look in my previous videos you'll see that. So you just need whatever you do your eyebrows with, whether it's a pencil, a twist up pencil, or if it's a pomade, gel, whatever you use, that's what you're going to need. You're going to need concealer. If you decide that you want to clean up your eyebrows, which is completely optional, you don't have to. I'm going with my Maybelline concealer and I'm using the shade Tan. You're going to need a brush, and this is just to clean up their concealer. As I said, if you don't want to use concealer to clean up your eyebrows, you don't have to, and then the brush is not necessary. If you are using a brush, I use the Fix Plus to spray my brush. It just helps the concealer to blend better. And then I have my beauty blender here with some setting powder on it that's going to set my eyebrows. Just get right into it. I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to twist it up a little bit, and I'm going to get all up in my mirror and all up into my eyebrow. And so the way I'm going to start it is I'm going to start about halfway into my eyebrow, and then I'm just going to drag back and forth just lightly, and this is going to shape my eyebrow. So I'm drawing literally along the outside hairs just to give it more definition. And then I'm gonna go about halfway and I'm gonna do the same thing at the top. I'm just going to turn my eyebrow pencil this way so it's slanted this way. And if you're using a pomade, and you should be using an angled brush, you're going to turn it the same way so that it's angled this way. And I'm just going to go into the front, and so that you don't have that boxy looking drawing in the front that some people just don't balance out after they're done, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to flick it upwards. So I take it out and I take some of the product off. So I just wipe it against the top, and I'll clean like all of the product off of the brush for the most part, and then I'll just, so that it's the amount of product that I want it to be. And then I'm going to start from the front, and I'm going to give my eyebrow a shape. I'm going to take my brush that I'm going to blend it with, and I'm just going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus. This is just going to help the concealer blend out better. That's done. I'm going to go in with the spoolie. Now, even if your eyebrows get too dark, your spoolie cleans it up. It'll make it lighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to go into the front of my eyebrows to lighten up the flicking that Then I'm going to go in with the beauty blender that has the leftover setting powder, and I'm just going to set the concealer. And then that's how we go from this to this. I'm just gonna go in and do my other eyebrow, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now both eyebrows is fleeked, and now you guys have like a full updated eyebrow routine from me, which hasn't really changed at all besides what I use. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And I hope this tutorial was useful. If you guys want any other tutorials, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.